In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up payment buttons in Wix. We are going to do this directly inside the Wix editor, and the process is very simple once you know where each option is located. A payment button is useful when you want to send visitors to a checkout page quickly, whether that is a page on your own site or an external payment link from a provider you already use. Start by opening the Wix editor for the website where you want the payment button to appear. Make sure you are on the correct page before you begin, so you can place the button exactly where visitors will see it. This could be a product page, a services page, or even your home page, depending on how you want people to access payment. Once you are in the editor, go to Add Elements and choose Button. Wix offers different button styles, so select one that fits the look and feel of your site. The design itself is up to you, but it is a good idea to choose a button that stands out clearly so visitors can find it without confusion. After you add the button to the page, click on the button itself. This will bring up the available options for that element. From there, click the Settings icon to open the button settings. This is where you will control what happens when someone clicks the button. Inside the settings, find the link field and click Add Link. This is the key part of the setup because it tells Wix where the button should send your visitors. You will now choose the type of destination you want to use. If you already have a dedicated payment page on your Wix site, choose the Page option. This works well if you want to keep the payment process inside your own website experience. If you want to send visitors to an outside payment processor, choose Web Address instead. This is the right choice for a checkout link from a service such as PayPal or Stripe. Be sure the web address is correct, since this is the link your customers will use to complete payment. When everything looks right, click Done to save the link. That connects the button to your chosen payment destination. At that point, your payment button is set up and ready to use. You can review the placement and appearance in the editor to make sure it is easy to notice and simple for visitors to click. That covers everything you need to know.